So today I'm going to be sharing some baby food recipes using our superfood powders. So in this first recipe, I'm gonna be using the Green Dream powder, which is totally safe for baby, great for mom to have, of course. I'm always promoting this as a way to get really good natural energy when you're feeling run down, sleepless nights, you know, just providing life for a baby. It can be a lot, and you really wanna make sure that nutritionally you're supporting that. So also, when baby is ready to eat, this is also a very intuitive thing, and you knowing your baby, oftentimes what I've read is the baby will show you when they're ready. They'll start to grab, like as you're eating a banana, they'll start to grab towards it and be curious. As you're putting something in your mouth, they might grab towards it. That might be 8 months, that may be 6 months. A lot of times people think that adding a little bit of oats or cereal to their diet early on will help them sleep better. Again, mama usually knows best, and the baby will kind of be communicating with you. So one of our baby first foods for Noah was bone broth, just because it's so good for the gut. It's got high in protein and just so many good nutrients. It's anti-inflammatory. So you could use bone broth as the base for any of these foods, but I also want to just keep it super simple for anyone that maybe doesn't know about the benefits of bone broth. So this recipe is going to be using Green Dream powder, which is high in protein and superfoods, nice greens for baby, and then avocado and banana, and that's it. So we're gonna use this baby Brezza baby food maker. You could use any baby food maker. You could also just use a normal blender. You could also mash it up. These two things mashed together are really easy and great. And it depends if you're doing pureed food, baby-led weaning, or something in between. We kind of just did in between. So sometimes I hand her some whole banana for her to eat. Sometimes I give her pureed foods. With all of my kids, I do start with pureed foods, and then as they're able to hold foods and grab foods, then I give it to them. So that's my way of doing things. Try and get organic when you can. This is an organic banana, but because it has this good, healthy, thick peel, it wouldn't be the end of the world if it weren't organic. Especially berries, because they're exposed to the environment, that you really wanna make sure you get organic, and anything in the dirty dozen. Another really cool thing about baby Brezza is that they have these little pouches that are reusable. So after this, I'm gonna make my own pouch, which is great for on the go for baby. So you can just give it to the baby, especially with pureed foods. You don't have to carry around like a spoon. It's way less messy. So I love this kind of convenience, and you get to reuse it a lot of times instead of the single-use ones. So you get your avocado out. I only had half an avocado. You could definitely use 1, 2, 3 avocados. It's a great first food for baby. Really good healthy fats. Keeps he or she full for longer. And I'm just going to blend this up. See the consistency? Oh, it's totally pureed. So just keep an eye on it. And then you're gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon to this. It's a little tiny amount for your little tiny baby. And this has hemp protein in it, which is a whole complete protein source. I'm just eyeballing it, but you can use an actual measuring spoon to get the 4th teaspoon. Definitely don't use a whole cup. 4th teaspoon. And yeah, the chia seeds, now you're gonna grind it up so there's nothing that gets caught in his or her mouth. The mesquite seed is really high in iron. The spirulina is incredibly high in iron and protein. So you're getting all of those beautiful nutrients for baby. So easy to use. I love that it's see-through here so you can see what's happening. A lot of times food processors are like the bane of my existence, and I end up struggling with it, and this one's really easy to use. So yeah, so this is all set. It's gorgeous, beautiful, pureed. Smells really good, like the banana. Baby will never know there's superfoods inside. And then just to use this, open up the side and pour it in. Let's see if I can do it this way. Don't call me. Yep. Plop it in. She's gonna love this so much. And then you can scrape the rest in, but you get the idea. It's so nice on the go while you have him or her in the baby carrier. Maybe you're out hiking. The rest I can't get out, so I'm just gonna put this in here. And it's actually more than halfway full, so I'll get the rest of it out with a spoon. And again, you could double, triple, quadruple this recipe and freeze it into containers. That's it. Little homemade pouch full of superfoods, greens, healthy fats, carbs. Baby will be so happy.